So this is the filter, the old oil filter I'm gonna be changing. This is the oil pan, and the drain plug is right here, marked by the engine oil. First you gotta take this off, then make sure you have the oil cap in the engine bay on top unscrewed so there's better airflow. You can mark it right here where it's supposed to be. It's actually kind of off right now. Oh my bad. It's kind of off right now. So that means that they over torqued it or under torqued it. Either way, both kind of bad. Right at the line, just where you want it.